This is question 13 of civil engineering paper GATE 2016 forenoon session. A vertical cut is to be made in a soil mass having cohesion C, angle of internal friction phi and unit weight gamma. Considering Ka and Kp as the coefficients of active and passive earth pressure respectively, the maximum depth of unsupported excavation is. So in this question it is given that a vertical cut has to be made in a soil mass which is having cohesion C, angle of internal friction phi and unit weight gamma. Also it is given that Ka and Kp are the coefficients of active and passive earth pressure respectively. We need to find the maximum depth of unsupported excavation. So this question is from the topic of earth pressure theory. You may study about this topic in detail by watching lecture 51, Earth Pressure Soil Mechanics Geotechnical Engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Baid, IIT Kharagpur. So if we recall that for a C5 soil, the relationship between the major principal stress sigma 1 and minor principal stress sigma 3 is given by the equation sigma 1 equal to sigma 3 tan square 45 plus phi by 2 plus 2c tan 45 plus phi by 2. And for the active earth pressure at any point, this vertical stress at that point is considered as the major principal stress and horizontal stress at that point is considered as the minor principal stress. So for active condition, sigma 1 is gamma z, that is overburden pressure, and sigma 3, that is horizontal pressure, is termed as the active earth pressure. So if we put this value in this equation and after rearranging, we will get the equation Pa equal to gamma z Ka minus 2c root over Ka, where Ka is called active earth pressure coefficient and is equal to tan square 45 minus phi by 2. Now from this equation we can see that if we put or if we try to find the pressure at the top of the surface, so at the top of the surface z equal to 0. So at z equal to 0, if we put z equal to 0 in this equation, so this term will be 0. So we will get Pa equal to minus 2c root over Ka. So here we can observe that pressure is in negative, and this negative pressure will be at depth z0, where the pressure becomes 0. Since this pressure diagram is linearly vary with the depth, so we can say this from the top surface to depth z0, where pressure is 0, the soil is in tension or is in a state of tension, and this is called tension zone. So we can see here, and if we find the active earth pressure on the this retaining wall, then we need to calculate the area of this diagram. So while calculating if we find the total pressure on the active earth pressure, so total active earth pressure will be 0 at z equal to 2z0. From this figure we can see this up to depth 2z0, that is up to depth from this is similar. So the negative pressure becomes the positive pressure, so we can say the net active pressure will be 0 at z equal to 2z0. And since this z0 can be found by putting this pressure equal to 0. So if we put pressure equal to 0, so from this equation 0 equal to gamma z Ka minus 2c root over Ka. So from here we will get z0, this is z0 only, so z0 equal to 2c by gamma root over Ka. Now for net active earth pressure, so net active earth pressure can be calculated by calculating the area of this pressure diagram. So total net active earth pressure will be 0 at depth z equal to 2z0. From this figure it can be seen. So 2z0 means 2 into this 2c, so that will be 4c by gamma root over, this is Ka. So up to depth 2z0, a vertical excavation can be made in the soil without giving any lateral support. So in this question we need to answer the maximum depth of unsupported excavation, which is 2z0, that is 4c by gamma root over k. So 4c by gamma root over k is given in option D. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.